Tom from Do-It-Yourself Home Automation. This is a look at finding studs in my wall using my Craftsman stud detector and laser level. I'm not going to use the laser level function today, just going to use the stud detector and also show how you can use it to detect AC wires, electrical wires in your wall. So first we're going to put it on the wall, put it over here, and I'm going to hold down the detector button on the right. I'm going to give it a second to initialize, and then I'm just going to start to slowly move it across the wall. You can see it's already picking up that there's some electrical wires in the wall, which makes sense because I've got my light over here. And so I'm just going to start to move it though and look for the first stud. So as I move it along, when it starts to see something, it's going to say stud found, and we can move it a little to the side. You can see that as I move this over to the edge of the stud, it's going to show edge, and those little lines are going to come in, so I can find the exact point of the edge of the stud, which should be through this point in the detector up there. Now as long as I'm on the stud, it's going to show that it's there, it's going to give that little beep sound, and then I should start to see those lines go away as I get to the other edge of it. So here I am at the other edge. Those lines will disappear as I come off of the stud and back onto the normal part of the wall here. So you can see with that detector, I'm able to pretty immediately tell when I'm on a stud, and I can also find the exact right and left edge of it if I want to, be hanging a new toilet paper dispenser, which this definitely needs, or anything else where I want to be screwing directly into the stud, or alternatively missing the stud. Also electrical wires, it's nice to know that they're there on the wall. I don't know the exact positioning, and I could probably move this around and try to find an area where it's not picking up the field from them. But for stud detection, again, you can see it's super precise, and it would allow me to sight something on the wall exactly where I need it to be. It's the Craftsman stud detector. Works really great.